Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have your data prepared. Now start the parallel pipeline. First, ensure shards are balanced and metadata aligns with schema so workers don't stall. Next, assign compute resources and cap memory per worker to prevent OOM errors. Once done, pick the indexing mode, batch for throughput, streaming for low latency, hybrid for mixed workloads, and launch a small dry run on 1-2 shards to validate mapping and throughput before scaling up. You'll now run the main indexing loop and tune performance as you go. Start worker groups and confirm they reach the coordinator and storage endpoints. If not, fix network or auth immediately. Then adjust batch sizes and enable vectorized processing where supported, but watch for backpressure. Reduce concurrency if write queues build. Make sure to stream logs and metrics so you can correlate errors to specific shards. If a worker fails, restart only that worker to avoid reprocessing everything. You're finishing the job. Verify the results before switching traffic. Run validation queries and compare document counts, checksums, or sample search results to detect mismatches. Once consistent, commit or promote the new index and route a small percentage of traffic to confirm behavior under load, then ramp to full. If something goes wrong, isolate the failing shard, inspect its logs and checkpoints, and replay from the last good checkpoint rather.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.